Hello friends, today I will show you how to fix tutor or ex age verification problem. To do this, first open this app and now tap on the profile icon. Next tap on profile and now tap on the edit icon in the top corner. Under birthday, re-enter your date of birth even it's already correct. Type your date of birth carefully. After that, tap on save. Then go back to previous page. Now tap on settings and support to fix some privacy settings. And then tap on settings and privacy. Privacy and safety. Tap on content you see. First go to search setting. Turn off this option that has hide sensitive content and go back. Tap on sensitive media. And now set all option to show all. After that, go back and tap on your account information and log out your X account. And now log in back. By doing this process, you can easily fix your problem. Thank you.